Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke Easy Slide Tempered Glass Screen Protector install for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Huge shout out to Ringke for giving me the opportunity to represent. You're going to get a tray that's going to help easily put on the tempered glass screen protector. You get two, by the way. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. On the back, you're going to get some instructions on how to go through the process of installing the tempered glass screen protector. You're obviously going to watch what I do in this video, but please read everything. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to have to get into the box here. Put that over to the side. Get out everything that's inside of that nice presentation. You get two cleaning kits, one for each tempered glass screen protector. Put one aside there. And this is what the tempered glass screen protector looks like. Basically set up to go in case you ever need to use the second one. Okay, first one is already on here. What do we get inside the cleaning kit? A microcloth. Uh-oh, little corner edge there broke, but it still should work. Shouldn't have any issues. Got your dust absorbers, your alcohol prep wipe, and your squeegee. So we'll put that there. So I want to make sure I'm doing this right. So it's actually going to go like this. So after I clean off the display of my S25 Edge, I'm going to place the tray with the tempered glass screen protector over the top. You want to make sure that you have the tray with the tempered glass screen protector in the right direction. I got my front facing camera up here, and it says right here. Once again, once the display of your S25 Edge is super duper clean, we're going to place over the top, and then we're going to pull on this little film tab here. Bam! Tempered glass will stick. It will adhere to your display of your S25 Edge. And if you need to, you can squeegee any bubbles out if there are any there. So let's go ahead and clean the display. I'm going to speed up the process a little bit so you don't have to be here forever. And just like that, that right there is a perfect install. Now, what I didn't tell you at the beginning of the video is that I do not have my S25 Edge set up yet. Just received it. I just wanted to get this tempered glass screen protector on my Edge to protect the display. And in my next video, I'm going to review the Ringke Live a Better Day Fusion Magnetic Clear Case for my S25 Edge. So I'm getting all of my protection for my S25 Edge so I can take it out and begin the official reviewing process. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll have my S25 Edge set up. We'll check out the touch response, which I know that there's not going to be any issues. Trust me, folks, you're going to get everything you need when it comes to the touch response on the display of your S25 Edge with the Ringke Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector. We just want to make sure that the case itself from Ringke isn't going to cause any issues as far as any lifting along the sides, top, bottom, corners. So stay tuned for this. And Ringke, thank you so much for the opportunity. A lot more to come. Look at that. That simple. All right. I'll be back. God bless you all. Peace.